Hello children, welcome to maths class. In this video we are going to learn the application of trigonometry. Our topic will be here heights and distances. We will learn how to use trigonometry in order to determine the height or distances. Let us see question number 2 B2 from your textbook, that is, a tree breaks due to storm and broken part bends so that the top of the tree touches the ground, making an angle 30 degree with it. The distance between the foot of the tree to the point where the top touches the ground is 8 meter. Find the height of the tree. So, whenever we come across the question in height and distance, we will say we need to know first what was the situation, what has happened, what is mentioned in that. So, we find that there was a tree standing on the ground. So, let us consider this is the height of the tree standing on the ground. Then what happens? Due to a storm, the tree gets bent. So, if this was the height of tree, let us say AB, it gets bent from a point C, and then this part, the top part, can say from this point it is getting broken and then bending and touching the ground, making an angle 30 degree with the ground. The top of the tree were touching the ground, let us give it the name of the point D, and it is 8 meter. The top is coming here, touching the ground 8 meter from the foot of the tree. So, determine the height of the tree. What was the height of the tree? So, see the application of trigonometry. We are not going to take measuring tape and climb on the top of tree and find the height of the tree. What shall we do? We will use right angle triangle property here. The remaining part which is standing makes perpendicular 90 degree opposite side. This is the broken part which has come here, is the hypotenuse, and of course ground is the base. So, let us now write down the introduction first. What has happened here? Question number B2 it is. So, first of all, let AB be the height of a tree, and this we need to find of a tree. This is we need to find. Now, what happens? Due to a storm, the tree gets bent from C. So, we will write that due to storm the tree gets bent from C. After that, what has happened? The top has come on the ground. So, the top from C it is getting bent, and the top touches the ground, at which point we have mentioned it in diagram at D. So, that point D is how far from the foot of the tree? Foot of the tree is this, it is 8 meter. From there at D, 8 meter away from the foot, from its foot, from foot of tree. So, everything we have mentioned, what was in diagram, what question was telling us, everything we have mentioned. Now, we will think how shall we find out? We need to find out the height of tree. This is the remaining part which is still standing on the ground. We will find that is perpendicular, and then the broken part is here. This is hypotenuse. And what we know in this right triangle, base is known to us. So, now let us think, I have base here I need to find perpendicular. So, perpendicular and base, which ratio gives us? Surely you all will know the 10 gives us the ratio between perpendicular and base, and this is the clue we will know. Here most of the children are getting confused which ratio is to be used. Ratio, the condition itself is telling us you use this ratio. We need to just pick up that. How? Once more, base is there, I need perpendicular. So, I can use 10 and also I can use cot, both, because 10 is perpendicular by base and cot is base by perpendicular. So, any one we will use, either 10 or cot. So, you know that 10 and cot are reciprocal ratio. So, let us go with 10. Where we are going to work? We are going to work in right triangle CBD. Which ratio we are going to use? We are going to use 10. How many degree angle is there? 30 degree. 10 shows the relation between perpendicular and base. So, which side is perpendicular? BC, and base is BD. 10 30 degree, all of us know the value, that is 1 by root 3. BC is the remaining height of the tree, we do not know. So, let us go with BC. But BD we are knowing is 8, and then we just simplify it. BC into root 3, we get BC root 3, or we can write root 3 BC, and 8 into 1 we find 8. Finally, we get BC is 8 by root 3 meters. So, remaining part of the tree we have found. Now, what we need to find? We need to find this broken part. Broken part, what we have? Base. What we need to find now? Broken part, which is hypotenuse. So, base and hypotenuse, which ratio gives us the ratio between base and hypotenuse? Ratio of base and hypotenuse, we will know that is cos. Sec also give the ratio of hypotenuse and base. We can go with sec, but why to go for reciprocal ratio? We will go just for cos. So, again we are going to work in the same triangle. We have only one right triangle here. Again in right triangle CBD, but ratio now we will use cos. Cos theta, that is cos 30 degree, acute angle 30 degree is here. Base is BD and hypotenuse is CD. Cos 30 degree value is root 3 by 2. BD we know, that is 8, and CD we do not know, that is the broken part of the tree. We will do cross multiplication, root 3 into CD or CD into root 3, 8 into 2, 16. We get CD is equal to 16 by root 3. We have found remaining part, broken part. How to get the height of tree? We will go now. Therefore, the height of tree of the tree will be AB, that is 8 root 3 plus 16 root 3. Here I want to clarify CD and AC will be equal, because that is the same part which has come down. So, now how to add them? Root 3 we will take LCM. So, root 3 we will take LCM. Root 3 8 and 16 we will get 24 by root 3. We have got denominator irrational number, we will rationalize it. Root 3 by root 3, we will get 24 root 3 by 3. 3 ones are 3 8s are. We all know this calculation, 8 root 3 we have found. So, this is the height of the tree. Now, if we want to go one more step ahead, so 8 into root 3 value 1.732. Finally, we multiply and we will get here 8 2s are 16, 8 3s are 24, 125, 8 7s are 56, 2 58, 8 5s are 8 ones are 8, 5, 13. So 13.856 meter is the height of the tree. So you have understood. First we read the question, one time we read, suppose every situation is not clear, 2 times read. More you read the question, more meaning you will understand. The more time you read, more you will understand it nicely. Then draw the diagram first, ask yourself what I need to find, use particular ratio, simplify and get the solution properly. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please, if you have not yet subscribed the channel, subscribe. You will be getting now, you are approaching board exam, you will be getting from this channel suggested questions also. See you in next video then.